Black Forest Labs did it again. They released new Flux 1.1 Pro model and call it the codename Blueberry. Now this model is 6 times faster and beats any available AI text-to-image generator models, including Midjourney. In this video, I will show you 3 ways to use Flux 1.1 Pro for free. And since Black Forest Labs removes example images prompts, as a bonus part, we will use ChatGPT 4o Mini to convert these images to the detailed text prompts. I want to use ChatGPT to convert these images to the text prompt and try to regenerate them with Flux 1.1 generators. As my first example, I want to convert this fantastic close-up image to the text prompt. So after downloading the image, click on Attach File icon here and choose Upload from Computer. And I want to ask, can you describe this image as a text prompt? And as you see, in just one click, I convert this image to the text prompt. I want to do the same for this girl image. And since we have our text prompts, let's generate them. The first tool to use Flux 1.1 Pro for free is Glyph.app. You just need your Discord or Google account to log in to your Glyph app. This is Glyph app interface after logging to your account, and you could access to other glyphs using these sections, and you will get 20 credits per day. And if you click on your profile icon here, you could access to your remaining credits. To start using Flux 1.1 Pro model, click on glyphs and search for Flux 1.1 and click on this icon here. I want to paste ChatGPT's generated prompt here and run this glyph. And this could take around 8 seconds to generate our image. As you see, Glyph did a great job in creating detailed images. And you could download this image using this button here. Also, share, like, delete, and preview options are available here. Our next tool to use Flux 1.1 Pro for free is Together.ai. This is Together.ai interface, and to start using it, click on Get Started button here. Now you could log in with your GitHub, LinkedIn, or Google account. And as you see, you could access to $5 credits here. Now click on Models and choose Flux 1.1 Pro and click on Open in Playground. As you see, we have access to other models here, including Flux Schnell for free. And for this example, I want to use Flux 1.1 Pro, and you could choose width and height for your images using these sliders. I want to use 16:9 aspect ratio, and for now, steps and seed numbers are disabled. I want to paste ChatGPT's AI generated text here and generate this. And as you see, this tool did a great job in creating this realistic girl portrait, and you could download this image using this button here. Now, as a pro tip, we will use Google Gemini's power as ChatGPT's alternative to convert images to the detailed text prompts. To do so, head over to Gemini website that you could find in the description below and click on Upload Image. I want to attach this wildcat image here and ask, describe this image as a detailed text prompt and commit this. As you see, in just one click, I use Google's Gemini power to convert this image to the detailed text prompt, except at this moment, Gemini does not support human faces, but you could use it for other type images. And our last tool to use Flux 1.1 Pro for free is Segmine.com. Our last tool is Segmine.com, and to start using it, click on Login here. You could log in with your Microsoft, Discord, or Google account. Now click on Model Hub and choose Flux 1.1 Pro. Now I want to paste Google Gemini's generated text prompt here. Let's expand this Advanced Parameters drop-down menu. You could choose your custom width and height here. I want to choose 16:9 aspect ratio, and I want to choose JPG with the maximum available quality and generate this. As you see, Flux 1.1 Pro did a great job in creating hyper-realistic animal images as well, and you could download this image using this button here. And please let me know about your experiences in description below. And thanks for supporting channel with your likes, comments, and of course subscribing channel. And please share this video link with your friends to join us in one-click tutorials AI adventure.